Welcome back to the Tropical Update. This is the Tropical Update for Saturday, October 14th. We're a little bit early today. We're going to be talking about Ophelia, that's out in the Atlantic, and it's moving toward Ireland and England. And we're going to also look at a couple little areas of disturbed weather. First, let's look at our cone. And this is our cone that shows Ophelia and where it's going. At this report, which was 5 p.m., it had 100-mile-an-hour winds, and it was moving east-northeast at 13. And if you look toward the top of the cone, they're showing that it's going to be right around Ireland sometime around 2 p.m. on Monday, and it's forecast still to be probably a Cat 1 hurricane. And here is the most likely time of arrival of winds, tropical force winds, and they are showing pretty much Monday a.m. That could be Sunday midnight. It's depending on if Ophelia speeds up like they're forecasting it to. So we'll just have to watch for that. Now this is our satellite photo. You can see where Ophelia is way out there, and you can see the yellow X. We're still watching that. That only has a 10% chance in 2 days of development, a little bit more in 5 days. The area that was off of Florida is still there. It's giving some showers and stuff to central Florida. If you look there, they're all moving toward the west. Melbourne area was getting a lot right around 7 p.m. And it looks like Tampa had got some, and even up near Ocala and that area. Now this is our model from this University of Florida, and they're giving it a 59% chance of development in the next 120 hours. But it is forecast to turn to the north and just go out to sea. Also, if you look near Africa, all the way to the right, there's another wave that's come off, and we're going to be keeping an eye on that. You can see the other wave that's above the Leeward Islands. Those are those black lines you see. And you can also see the front that has moved through that's sort of stalled out in northern Florida, and then there is a new cold front that's coming through that's going to be giving some cooler weather to the southeast come Monday, Tuesday. Well, that's about it for the tropics. Pretty quiet. We're going to be doing just a national forecast with a few favorite cities, and we're working on that now. It's about 8:30 p.m. So until next time, have a great day, and we'll be talking to you soon.